Hey guys, this is Gracie Jones, and today something special is happening in my hometown of Neenah. That's right, it's very special. There's gonna be a fall exotic bird fair happening in my hometown of Neenah. They're gonna sell lots of birds there, and it'll be located in Lucky Dog'z Banquet Hall. And I'm so excited. It's just about 5 minutes away from my home. So yeah, and just so you guys know that we're just gonna look around because one, some of the birds here are very expensive, so we don't have a lot of money to buy those. And two, we already got lots of pets, 5 cats and 2 guinea pigs. So yeah, I'm so excited to meet our fine feathered friends. So it'll be right there.
This is the yellow variety. There's green ones too. Green ones are the normals. So
Golden finches. Look how cute they are.
Oh, is that as big as they get? Really?
Pigeons.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group.
Oh, there's a cute little hedgehog. Oh, wow.
Didn't expect to see that at a bird show.
Yep.
What are these, do you know?
Yep. These are cockatiels. Kind of like a tiny version of cockatoos.
He's so funny though. He's one of
Aren't they cute?
Oh,
Look at this little guy. Laying on his back.
These are button quail. Yeah. They're
Little
really
button-
great to clean like the aviary if you have aviaries. The bottom of the aviaries. Like miniature chickens. You know, like teeny tiny little chickens.
There you go.
Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You got it all.
Pretty Indian ringnecks.
If the females always darker than the males, just because like, that's how they are.
Oh, look at this guy.
Brighter, flashier, or
No.
because she's
Pretty little canaries.
Yeah. Some of them
Ooh, zebra finches. That's a lot of pretty parakeets.
yes.
Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
I know.
Oh, they're cute.
I saw her holding it. I was wondering if she had seen it.
Well, that was really fun. I enjoyed visiting the Fall Exotic Bird Fair. It was short and sweet. There were so many birds there that I really loved, like the conures and the ringnecks and the finches and the cockatiels. I even saw the cute little hedgehogs there. I never knew hedgehogs were brought in the Fall Exotic Bird Fair. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my travels and vlogs. See you next time. Bye!